Dear students and other viewers, you all are welcome to my new class. At first, I would like to offer thanks to our Honorable Prime Minister for taking initiatives to take online classes by the teachers for making up the losses due to coronavirus. Wishing you happy and healthy life. I am going to start a new English first year class for the students of class 9 and 10. Dear students, take your EFT and go to the page number 36. Here we have got the unit number 3 and lesson number 5. The name of the topic is Independence Day. Dear students, without wasting our time, I like to go to the main activity, activity A. Here students, dear students, we have got 3 questions here. I am reading the instructions. Look at the picture and ask and answer the questions about it. At first, we have got the question, what can you see in the picture? Dear students, I have written the possible answer for you. Here, in the picture, I see the National Museum. Okay, next question, where is it? That means where it is situated. The answer is, it is at Sabar in Dhaka. Okay, the last one, why was it built? Why? You will write, it was built to commemorate the supreme sacrifices of the martyrs of our country. Okay, dear students, I think you have got the point. Now, I will move on to activity B. Here a text for you, I am reading for you. 26 March, our Independence Day, is the biggest festival. The day is celebrated every year in the country with enthusiasm and fervor. It is a national holiday. All offices, educational institutions, shops and factories remain closed on this day. The day begins with a 31-gun salute. Early in the morning, the President and the Prime Minister, on behalf of the nation, place floral wreaths at the National Mausoleum at Savar. Then, other leaders, political parties, diplomats, social and cultural organizations, educational institutions, and freedom fighters pay homage to the martyrs. People from all walks of life also go there in rallies and processions. There are many cultural programs throughout the day, highlighting the heroic struggle and sacrifice in 1971. The country also witnesses the spectacular parade of defense forces, border guards, police, armed answers, and the PDP, Village Defense Party, at the National Parade Ground near the National Parliament. In Bangabandhu National Stadium, school children, scouts and Girls Guides take part in various displays to entertain thousands of spectators. Educational institutions also organize their individual programs. Sports meets and tournaments are also organized on the day, including the exciting boat race in the river Buriganga. In the evening, all major public buildings are illuminated with colorful lights. Bangla Academy, Bangladesh, Shilpakala Academy, and other social cultural organizations hold cultural functions. Similar functions are also arranged in other places in the country. Okay, dear students, I have finished that reading here. Now, activity C. Match the words with their meanings. Here, some words in the left hand side, and their meanings are not arranged here. Their meanings are on the right hand side. You will have to match the meanings with their main words, given words. Okay, I have prepared a answer for you here. Fervor means a strong feeling. A strong feeling of excitement. Next word, alike. In a similar way, a spectator. A person who is watching an event displays acts of performing skills, illuminate, to light up. Okay, dear students, I think you have got the point. Now, our next activity, activity D. Choose the best answer. Here, some alternatives from them. You will have to choose the right one. Okay, I have written here only the right answers here for you. I am reading the question for you. Our biggest state festival is Independence Day. The celebration of Independence Day begins with gun salute. The National Mausoleum is at Savannah. Now, the last one. On Independence Day, a national parade is held at the National Parade Ground. Okay? Dear students, now the last activity, activity E. Here I am reading the instruction. Write in brief how you have celebrated this year's Independence Day at your school. Okay, dear students, you will give a title here. You can write in this way. How we celebrated Independence Day in our school. And then you will write in brief. Here I have written for you. You can take it written in your notebook. In our school, the headmaster earlier formed a subcommittee headed by a teacher for the celebration of the day this year. Getting up early in the morning, we went to our school to place floral beds. We also arranged rallies there. After that, we enjoyed a cultural program. Our headmaster delivered a short speech. We also staged a drama. Our school was decorated with colorful pages, festoons, and in the evening, our school buildings were also illuminated with colorful lights. In this way, we celebrated the day in our school. Okay, dear students, we have come to the end of our topic. Before leaving, I would like to suggest you to stay home, to be safe. If you are to go out of your home, you must wear mask, use sanitizer, and remain your social distancing there. Okay? Wishing you happy and healthy life. Bye.